Makenka nkata bi nso wɔ mframam. Minim so was akata ni.
Yeah,
ɛkyɛ ye maame Becky.
Yeah.
Ɔden sa kyɛ kata bi. Kenka kata na memfa no yie ma na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maame nkan.
Yeah.
Kata no.
Yeah.
I'm say enra na ebeto da. It's from the office of the First Lady. Statement from the First Lady of the Republic, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, on the recommendations of the committee established pursuant to Article 71 of the Constitution. Now, Katani said, the attention of the First Lady of the Republic, Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, has been drawn to the recommendations of the committee established pursuant to Article 71 of the Constitution, the Professor Ya Intiamwa Bedu Committee, which, amongst other things, seek to regularize the payment of allowances to spouses of the current president and the vice president, former heads of states, president and vice president, respectively, as part of the privileges due the president and vice president under Article 71 of the Constitution. The First Lady has taken note of ongoing conversation in the nation following on from these recommendations and their bipartisan approval by Parliament, as mandated by the Constitution as the body which approves the emolument of the executive. It is important to state that payment of such allowances existed and was made to previous First Ladies in the course of the Fourth Republic prior to Mrs. Akufo-Addo becoming the First Lady. Mrs. Akufo-Addo did not request to be paid any allowance. She only received that which existed and attached to her status, albeit informally. That notwithstanding, the public discussion has been laced with some extremely negative opinions, in some cases which she finds distasteful, seeking to portray her as a venal, self-serving and self-centered woman who does not care about the plight of the ordinary Ghanaian. In view of this, the First Lady, in consultation with the President of the Republic, has decided to refund all monies paid to her as allowances from the date of the President's assumption of office, i.e. from January 2017 to date, amounting to 899,099 Ghana cedis, 84 pesos. And Katano also can't say, okay. The First Lady has also decided not to accept any monies that have been allocated to be paid her pursuant to the recommendations of the Intiamwa Bedu Committee as approved by Parliament. She's doing this as a purely personal decision without prejudice to the rights of others and not to undermine the propriety of the process undertaken by Parliament. The First Lady does not want these matters to serve as a distraction from the good work that the President, who is currently touring the Savannah and Upper West regions, is doing to develop the dear nation. The First Lady will continue to support the President as she has always done in the execution of the mandate entrusted in him by the good people of Ghana. Signed, Koko Blebo, Director of Communications, Office of the First Lady. Babna.
It was unfortunate. It was very unnecessary.
Oh,
then
I don't know. One fan also said, "Car biya Ghana car, advanced team biya or Kobe biya, pussy phone soldier for born home. I don't want to withdraw all those services."
Kwabena Asante now. Okay.
Omanhene.
Hold on. If you are a leader, you don't easily fall for what you call pressure. Now, any pressure, then decision can you take your Ghana. Yes, see, yeah, platform to make my related to conversation I have here. I don't want to know about others. In any case, on one letter, no, what admit to say, a idea at the ho dada.
Yeah,
and you know,
not pencil.
Nti ye krano ye pensa chira de bia da meka say ye mra kuni na nkasa no as I say call back to ye mra kuni no a lot of lapses wo mra kuni ma as I say ko shemu kina emi ye ho toye you kon tokwa dodo na ye kono ye ko as a result of the mra kuni no ama ho kwan dodo na ye ko asoman bra ye bre asoman there are a lot of challenges with the constitution of Ghana emrani bi wo atwam emrani bi wo say ye fixing mra na nkasa it yet try on common so no yen koma ye di ni se ebra ye wom wo man Ghana yi mmabuna dwuma ye ho asem enye adwuma ketwa sikasem enye adwuma ketwa other opportunities se nipa bi nyatim di konkan no enye easy ye de ne se yenim se ye informal. At the right time, there will be a conversation, will be whether to formalize or whatever. It won't cost one allowance. Name see a beji brasa si brakas yen triamokano. Ghana and design KPIs via Mamuntia, Elian Association of Triamoka. Anybody who attains the status of a first lady, whether umpeu or minor, a certain responsibility. It is withdrawing this service at the amount, allowances at the amount, and no one from show, yen and the amount. There are other privileges that you are enjoying. Are you also withdrawing from those?
Reading the
please, what the boy from Natra?
No, but she has stated it's without prejudice. No, and she feels that the discourse around Sansen,
I'm saying that he's not bigger than the president of the land. No, Nanado. Jebet ma criticize Nanado.
Jim FM.
These two excellencies.
No, but Kwabena.
Hold on. It's because they have the office of a public office. Akwanya abeda omo kakra because so obeso omo man. Eti ade bi o hwan no omo nya adwene whether papa or boni o. Yetimi kire ya adwene. In the normal sense of normal, you think that it is easy, even Nanado or Jomama in his normal life, for some of us to get access to him? It is not. What about public office? They said they will CJ. They said me or mine. People are interested in the things I do beyond radio. Me yere, me ma, me juma, me movement. Why? And now did you a trouble background? Every spotlight is on why?
Yeah.
Are you not a normal human being? They give you a certain reference. Some of us can any genesis or sompo. So nibofu asemi na hi. Because what did you do ampa sebi mekawa all the first ladies. Mi hu obi a sebi one breast. No yeah nipehunu bia keke. Na okunu kra be do ono. Or chiwa to aso amwako. Definitely no. Every first or second lady enye any ordinary person hwe emisata be ye mami Lodina hwe Nadu Mills hwe Auntie Teresa obi ade ne ho kura ansa ne kunu eba betra sa akonwa ne so. It clearly see I can Sansen be distasteful but position awo no ene sen ko tu for the dwane from my mu dadado sebi and I'm paying na gaze ko jakunya no ko.
No, but
once you rise to a certain once you rise to a certain position in life, you should admit that me say okunu eba be president no. You knew the pluses and the minuses.
Personally, I feel that the first lady has done the honorable thing.
No, but what is honorable about what he has done? Also, dim je ka say honorable. Obi ejina asema wakeka so. Obi ejina asema what the first lady has done. So we can't tell the first lady that allowance now jinju allowance by enya na ketuama. I don't know tititi so opese be ba tititi nyina no. So me ba tititi nyina no opese. No kire sa ompa. Oba no from day one. Whether allowance or salary or committee was recommending no. Kababaka say there be.
Na tititi na ho masem ye.
Ye nyina.
Exactly.
And as am komo nyina.
Tititi na ho masem ye.
She feels that and come on, it's even affecting.
I'm saying that as we speak now. Listen, as we speak now, allowances are part of the privileges that the first ladies of this country they enjoy.
Yeah.
As we speak now, it is not only allowances, they enjoy other privileges. And I'm anything about there's an advanced team. No, our Brazilian Sebi. On one level fast for now, advanced team no.
There's a state in Diamano.
So what are we discussing here? Nebu na fu na asem ne ya.
Nebu na fu say
oh, please. Ade TJ. Yenim kwa ni pafa so mu for he. Mama kan CJ nkoma e di simple. Nkoma na ye di on this monuments and there's AC where from this. In painful bube. In the heat of things you don't take a decision. Is you won't to me can't say or the akoma panity or the yaudie or the abufuo asemi na hi na me Becky sabi me Lordina sabi me Mrs. Baumia sabi me what I say e dey nko na Ghana for mo prefer me dey na mai e say da ho no Adam ye me say yaudie no no dey take his decision. They are very upset. She cannot run away from that because if she's not, the conversation is still ongoing. In fact, when you did the time enough, di kunu ankasa eniminyam for na nado danko Akufo-Addo. Nyoma ya toa fam na nado ho. John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. And nyoma ya toa fam mo. Then they could have said that because of those things, you know, they will just get out of their seat for their vice president of somebody.
The first lady writes that in consultation with her husband, the president. And Becky,
but one person can say, are they not human beings? Are they not human beings?
No, but they are human beings. No, but the fact is that or consulting Nikunu as president, you know, I know your idea was here.
Mama, in this searching.
No, but they let her know about. And let her
know. Pope, any Roman folk will take a decision. They cannot make a wrong decision.
Okay.
I don't get it.
But
maybe problem. They say you don't cranny, want to think cranny. Who you say you've done absolutely nothing.
Well, now you feel say you no. Is that it?
You should understand. You should understand the office that you find yourself in. And your call them and did you tell me I didn't kunuina sebi. I am fakwemunya. The fakwem cry did you tell me papa. Ufis or Nikuno or Kwa Nikuno or no, sebi on the video, no, you can't. Every role comes with a responsibility. Among yourself, for a or my own, the Biamecano. Among yourself, the opponents and church money be a ski in your mano. I did about Tessa and another Danko Akufo-Addo. Wafan yere, any Baumia yere, and also bit your mocha. Say you did throw yes, you did throw in this uncontempo here. Some of these decisions they will be forced, which is not good for leaders.
Jim FM.
Yeah, the opponents and throw for no, you did throw. Yeah, we are too sensationalism dorsal. The exaggeration is too much. If we are speaking to the issues and we speak it as it is, ni ankofa nanado, ni anfa na ira anfamo, ya ankofa baumia anfa na ira anfamo. I'm an unquiet to say these are the people who are insisting say omo ire na say ti omo ka. Some of these decisions will not be taken, but this decision is too early a decision to take.
Yeah. He was one time a DJ. DJ
Hitman.
DJ Hitman.
I better be Hitman. Oh boy, Jones. I paid my dues in my room. Better Hitman. Oh boy, Jones. Yeah, better Hitman. No, better me chrome because I can't. Yeah, Bruno for say better. You better team na makudi afo. And I had to say me makwa.
Entini how can they say Bruno now?
Yes, see Hitman. No, oh boy, Jones. Entino. Open better Hitman.